Welcome to today's podcast on volume. In today's session, we are going to learn how to use a formula to calculate the volume of any rectangular or square prism. Firstly, what is volume? Pause this podcast and discuss this with the person next to you. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. So, how many 1 centimetre cubes will fit inside the object? In class, you may have been using the 1 centimetre cubes to work out the volume of rectangular prisms. Today, we are going to learn how to use a formula to work out the volume of any rectangular prism. Before we start, it's very important that we know what unit of measurement we use to measure volume. When measuring volume, we use cubic centimetres or cubic metres. So, how do we calculate volume? To calculate volume, we need to use a formula. The formula for calculating the volume of a prism is length times width times height. We can also write it V equals L times W times H. So let's have a go at using the formula. This rectangular prism has a length of 5 centimetres, a width of 2 centimetres and a height of 3 centimetres. Now remember our formula? Volume equals length times width times height. So our prism has a length of 5 centimetres, a width of 2 centimetres and a height of 3 centimetres. So to work out our volume, we need to times 5 times 2 times 3. Let's have a go. The first thing we need to do is times the length, 5 centimetres, by the width, 2 centimetres. So we need to times 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 equals 10. So 10 is the length times the width. Our next step is to times 10 centimetres, which is our length, times our width, by 3 centimetres, which is our height. So 10 times 3 equals 30. So, the volume of our prism is 30 centimetres cubed. Because we times 5 centimetres our length, times 2 centimetres our width, times 3 centimetres our height, which gave us 30 centimetres cubed. Now that you know the formula, let's have a go at doing the next problem. A truck has a trailer that has a length of 7 metres, a width of 2 metres and a height of 4 metres. What is the volume of the trailer? Make sure you remember the formula. Volume equals length times width times height. So the volume of our trailer is 7 times 2 times 4. Pause the podcast here. You may wish to do this problem individually, in pairs or as a class. How did you go? The volume of the trailer is 56 metres cubed. We are now at the end of our podcast. Thank you for watching and I hope you have enjoyed learning about volume today. Now you know how to use the formula length times width times height to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism or a cube. You can download this podcast from your school's network onto your computer, laptop or iPod so you can watch it whenever you need to.